How's it going, Mac? Don't need me, but I want you. Yes, I admit, sounds a little romantic. But hey, is it not a certain romance that goes hand in hand with the love and the passion that you have for your 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 dreams, your journey, or whatever it is you decide to do, right? Let's move along. Mac, your message as an organization, which, and I quote, speaks solely and exclusively on behalf of music creators, performers, and songwriters without compromise. You guys believe artists should have the opportunity to decide how to best protect the fate of their music and all their rights as an artist. And I couldn't agree with you guys even more. And that message right there is one of the main reasons I decided to become a manager and help artists. So I'm all about working hard for the artists and helping them with their dreams and making them dreams come true. Right? Like that's the big idea. Being a former music artist myself, I understand that having a manager in your corner who isn't all about money and all about just getting the right deal because it helps them financially, but it's all about unlocking your full potential and genuinely wanting to represent you for you and not only what you can do for the brand. My goal is to make sure the artist being represented gets the best deal possible, a deal that protects them, their hard work, and their future. I would like to share a little bit more about myself. I just turned 26 when I realized artist management was for me. But you know what? How about we take it back a little further? I've actually been doing music since I was 8. Funny story. I was actually grounded for writing my first rap. I swear I had to write every curse word known on that paper in the world. Being young, you thinking that all music was about was what you heard and just making it rhyme. And I showed my cousin, and he actually tattooed on me. Yes, tattooed. Boy, did I pay for that. But fast forward, doing music was going very good up until 26. It was going real good. I thought we was gonna make it. Honestly, I've been in so many artists' company. It made me want it even more. It felt like this was really happening. But long story short, tragic events transpired throughout the time that I was pursuing music, and it really took away the motivation for music for me. If I'm being honest, I just felt like every time I got one step closer, I got knocked 2 steps back. But although I lost motivation to make music, I never lost the passion for music itself. I still love to be in the studio, helping others with their songs. I love giving advice on how to pursue and maneuver the right way and not make help them not make the mistakes that I did. People like my friends and their friends or people from my city as a whole who knew of me because of music actually would reach out to me for advice, for help. Anybody that knows me knows I have a crazy ear for music. It can be any genre of music. I understand it completely. I can feel it. I just know when something can be that one. I'm always harmonizing something. I'm always making I just know when something can be that one, but it's up to the artist and the rep artist representation to really unlock the full potential, right? Which brings me to wanting to actually pursue a career in artist management. Uh, a lot of artists fail because they don't have that right representation, right? It's either they're just in it for the money and do bare minimum for the artist, or they don't know anything about music for real, or what an artist truly wants and needs, like they portray. But being a person who did music, loves music, and understands the struggles of an artist, it's important that I make sure these up and coming artists get what they deserve. The right contracts, the right representation, someone who cares about them, not only about what they could do for me financially, but someone who's gonna work just as hard as the artist would for their future and its ability as an artist. Full Sail. My degree with Full Sail, it really, let me say my time with Full Sail and the degree that I acquired, it really gave me the tools, a lot of tools, such as understanding marketing and publishing, which is an enormous part of an artist's music career. Artist management, which will help me fully understand how to develop an artist, launch an artist in their career, manage the contracts, and to actually sustain that artist's career. I learned retail and distribution, which shows me how to help monetize an artist's music through different platforms, along with the right branding and the importance of branding an artist. With these tools I learned, along with my determination and understanding of a music artist, along with my heart and wanting to see others succeed just as much as I want to see myself succeed, that alone is why I know this career path was the best for me. And the way I can connect with these artists on a personal and experience level gives it so much more substance. My time at Full Sail gave me the courage to have a dialogue with and to be prepared to help me. In fact, help me when I'm speaking on a client behalf, or trying to land a client, or trying to land a deal for that client. I want to share a mantra I say to myself and others: be the change, lead by example, take control, never give up. Like I said before, I always loved music. I wanted to be like the Drakes and the Jay-Z's. I wanted the Justin Bieber and the Miley Cyrus fame. I could have let my trials and tribulations and all music talk for me, but I didn't. I seen opportunity and I took it. I felt there was a higher calling for me in music other than making the music, but being in someone's corner and helping them accomplish dreams. Please, my saying to the artists is, please don't ever give up. Keep striving for greatness, and you'll get there. You'll get to where you want to be. I feel we are all alike. We have one thing in common, and that's trying to make our dreams come true. The most beautiful way to connect to me is being familiar, right? Knowing there's someone you never knew anything about, but yeah, have so much in common with. It's amazing to me. In my music background, I feel makes me familiar with the artists in your organization, which will help me push your message forward and be the best that I can be for that artist.